Now we see some example of exponent in power here. First example is 2 raised to the power 8 into a raised to the power 5 upon 4 raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 3. Now see how you are going to solve it. This is very simple. We have to only recall the formula of law of exponents. Now see that this numerical how I am going to solve it. We have to first of all break these equations into the exponential form. 2 raised to the power 8 into a raised to the power 5 upon this 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 3. Now see 2 raised to the power 8 into a raised to the power 5 into this can be written as, when this denominator will move to numerator, it means we have to use here law of exponent 1 upon a equal to a raised to the power minus 1. Now here this formula can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3. This can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6. This can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 6. So in next step I can write this 2 raised to the power minus 6, and when this 1 upon a raised to the power 3, this will be equal to a raised to the power minus 3. So in next step I can write this a raised to the power minus 3 here. So we can continue here. We see the bases here. Here we look at 2 raised to the power 8 is here and 2 raised to the power minus 6 is here. Here both base are same and power are added. So in next step I can write here 2 raised to the power 8 into 2 raised to the power minus 6 into a or a, both base are same here, then I can write here a raised to the power 5 into a raised to the power minus 5. This can be equal to 2 raised to the power 8 plus minus 6 into a raised to the power 5 plus minus 3. When the base are same, power are added. So this can be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 into a raised to the power 2. This is your answer of this question. Now see the next. This is what? Here 3 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 0 bracket, here it is given in bracket, into 5 raised to the power 0. This question can be solved as 3 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 0 into 5 raised to the power 0. Now here we use the law of exponent here. So 3 raised to the power 0 is 1 here, plus 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 here, into 5 raised to the power 0 is 1 here. So this will be equal to 2 into 1. This will be equal to 2. Here the solution of this question is 2. Now see the next question here. 2 raised to the power 20 divided by 2 raised to the power 15 bracket close here into 2 raised to the power 3. Now here we see that bases are same, power are different here. So it is given in division form. I can use here law of exponent. So here 2 raised to the power 20 divide minus, when it is given in division, so power will be in minus form, 15 into 2 raised to the power 3. Here it will be equal to 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 3. Now here see, in next step bases are same, so power will be added here, 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3. This will be equal to 2 raised to the power 8. This is the answer of this question.